Hi and welcome to today's tutorial, which is on the recreation of this beautiful cape top or cape blouse at the left and the right. The one in the middle is my creation. This will be one of the fastest and easiest sewing projects you ever have to make in your sewing journey. And the beautiful thing about this cape blouse is that you can wear this with a long dress, you can wear this with trousers, you can wear it, pair it with about just about anything. It's absolutely very versatile and beautiful. And for this project, you require, of course, a chiffon fabric because of its fluidity. You require a matching bias and you require a matching thread. So now here I have on my floor, okay, I have 2 yards of fabric, 2 yards of chiffon fabric. Now for a petite person, and then this is highly dependent on how long you want it to be, but for a petite person you require about 2 yards of chiffon fabric. For an average heighted person, maybe 58, length of 60, you require 2.5. You won't even make use of it totally. For a very tall person, you'll be needing about 3 yards of chiffon fabric, but then this is highly dependent on the length of the cape top that you're working with. So I just have it on fold, selvage 2 yards. Now from this point here, as you can see on the inspiration there, the front of this cape top is shorter than the back. So now for me, the front length for my own, I want it to be at 17 inches. So I'm creating this first fold to be 17 inches. And then I'm just going to confirm that I have 17 inches at this point and 17 inches at the other point. Because of the flow of this fabric, it moves a lot, so you just want to really confirm that this is what you have. So here I've checked, and then it's 17 inches at this point as well. The next thing to do is the neck depth and neck width. Now I advise that because this is a chiffon fabric and it has a tendency of opening up more than it should, you should be very careful with how wide and how deep you make your opening. So for me, I'm using 3 inches for the neck width and 3 inches for the neck depth. If I find out that it is probably too tight for me, I can always readjust it. It's better small than better too wide, except being too wide is exactly what or how you want it to be from the beginning. So it's 3 inches neck width and 3 inches neck depth, and then I'll just proceed to cutting this out. Please note that it's folded and I'm cutting it out for both the front and the back. And then I'll just open this up right now. Believe you me, our top is almost ready. So opening this up now, from this point I'm going to create a curve all the way to somewhere around that point. And then at the for the back side, now this side is the side that's left for the back, okay, from the nape of your shoulder all the way to the floor length or how you want it. So I'm just trying to create a curve. I'm sorry you can't see this because my chalk is very faint, but when I'm cutting this off, you actually see the pattern that I'm following. And then I'm also going to recreate the same thing at the bottom of the dress for the back side. So I'm also recreating this. Please note that there is no clear cut rule. Okay, just create whatever curve or whatever shape, however deep, however high you want it to be. And then I'll just proceed to trimming this off now so you can actually see the flow that I'm working with. So I want you to stop just about this point here. Some people can take it all the way, but whatever works for you. So I'll recreate the same thing at the top part. Now this top part being the front of my cape blouse. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you. So now I'm done with trimming this off, and then I'm just going to leave that as is. The next thing to do is just pipe your neckline with a bias or weave it for finishing, and then of course weave all of these sides or just pipe it, whichever works for you. And then now I'll just place this on a mannequin so that we'll see the final results. And that's about it, guys. You see how super easy that was? And this is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching once again. If you'll be trying this out, please let me know in the comment section. Till my next video, bye and have a good day. Thank you.